The securement and protection of PVC pipes behind drywall is required by plumbing codes throughout the United States. Attaching and securing PVC conduit piping behind drywall has never been an easy task, until now. The old way requires two separate components. The first component is a metal strapping. The PVC pipe is held in place by the metal strapping, which is imprecise, has sharp edges, requires cutting tools, and is time-consuming. The second component is a metal plate, which is required to protect the PVC pipes from drywall screw or nail penetrations. The new HAP system combines the protection and securement into a single component. Assembly is quick and easy and requires only 2 drywall screws and a cordless driller driver. Assembly time is only 7 seconds versus up to 2 minutes assembling the old way. HAP System provides products that are easier, more effective, and more efficient to install and reuse. HAP System also looks more professional than assembling the old way.